Nucleic acid amplification. The reagent preparation area is mainly used for storage and reagent preparation, which is a clean area. Place the reagents in the kit at room temperature and shake and mix it well after it is thawed. Centrifuge it at high speed for 10 seconds. Take n-PCR reaction tubes. Allocate the system according to the instructions. Taking 6 samples to be tested, as an example, a total of 8 PCR reagents are required. Pipette 136 microliters PCR reaction solution A to the empty centrifugation tube. Then pipette 24 microliters PCR reaction solution B centrifugation tube. Swirl and mix reaction solution A and reaction solution B well. After mixing, centrifuge the liquid on the tube wall to the bottom. After centrifugation, aliquot the reagent into the PCR reaction tubes according to the 20 microliters amplification system and cover the tube lid tightly. Add the treated negative control, extracted samples to be tested, and a positive control to the prepared PCR reaction tube, respectively, with 5 microliters for each. After mixing, centrifuge the liquid on the wall of the tube to the bottom. Put the PCR reaction tubes on the instrument rack and close the chamber door.